Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Huawei Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the application, we need to tap on Devices, right here. Then select our Huawei Watch GT watch from the list. Now, we can tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner. And once you open this menu, you should see the Unpair Device option. Tap on it, then tap on OK. Now, we can close the application, open the settings on our iPhone, and settings tap on Bluetooth. And here you should see the list of devices connected to your iPhone. And we have my devices list right here. Find the Huawei Watch GT Runner on this list. For some reason, as you can see, we have two of them. Now, tap on the info icon next to the Huawei Watch GT Runner. Tap on Forget Device and tap on Forget Device. I'm gonna do this for the both of them. So I'm gonna tap on info again, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget the device. And once the device disappears from the list, this means your watch is completely unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.